What's good? It's the two-time family and we back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different, something I've been dreading for a very long time. And it's not that I'm lazy, it's just because I be having other things going on, and this is just one thing that wasn't on the bucket list of things to do at the moment. But now that it's springtime, it's almost time to do a little bit of spring cleaning. Now my entire house is clean, so we finally got that out of the way. Now it's time to clean this cluttered garage. Gang, look at this. This don't make any sense. I'm tired of looking at it. I can't ever find anything. My tools is everywhere. They're supposed to be in tool boxes. Now we're gonna deal with that later, so you guys stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna put the video in fast forward speed. I'm not gonna talk y'all head off. I'm gonna set the camera up, put it in fast forward speed. I'm gonna be dragging a bunch of this clutter out. Be throwing a bunch of it away. Some of it's going down there in my basement. I have well enough space for it. So yeah, gang, let's go ahead and get started on it. This is a before shot. Two-time family, so this is part 1 of 3 that I will make of cleaning up my clustered garage. Right now it looks completely different than before. I'm about 50% complete, maybe a little bit more than that, but I have to purchase a few things so that I can sort all of this stuff out. Maybe I'll build shelves tomorrow, maybe I will get something else. You guys make sure y'all stay tuned for the second part of this video, because that will show what I'm doing with all of this stuff up here, which is mainly tools, little knickknacks. I want to get rid of these 2 toolboxes, or maybe not get rid of them, but replace them with something a little bit more reliable, bigger, taller, better, just overall better, so that I can store my tools in, know where everything is at. This thing right here only has 4 compartments and it's clustered with just everything, and this is the same 4 compartment, just clustered. Then you guys can see tools and everything just everywhere up here. I even got tools in here, which this is a damn lunchbox. Why do I have tools in it? But just so you guys can see in the corner, I sorted out all of my oils, all of my coolants. What else we got? Brake cleaners, car cleaning material, and all of that fine stuff. I put all of my jack stands, my roll boy oil catch cans here, or canisters, and I moved my air compressor over here to the right. It was over there to the left. Simple fact, because this refrigerator bulges out so much, I'd rather take this space up right here than take space up there and have that there taking up space protruding out. So still got a long ways to go. Make sure that you guys stay tuned. There will be a special surprise that I will be doing to the garage that's completely transform everything that you guys can see on camera right now. But like I said once before, 50% complete. Still got a long ways to go. This is 1 of 3. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it wasn't too long. And just make sure y'all stay tuned for part 2 and part 3, man. Hopefully y'all learned something today. Make sure that y'all become productive or be productive. If you have to, just take your time, man, and scratch away at the surface of whatever that you have, like projects or whatever, to complete them. You don't have to do it all in one day. I'm taking a break now, and I will start back again tomorrow, bring y'all part 2 of this cleaning my cluster garage video. Hopefully y'all enjoy it, man. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification for future uploads, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.